As it is with maintaining your equipment, one of the other things that people often overlook is washing your bee suits. Bee suits can usually be washed in the washing machine without the veil. Read the instruction on the tag. But every once in a while I like to do it this way, which is fill a tote with boiling hot water. I use 2 kettles worth of hot water and then 2 large restaurant pots of hot water from the spigot. I added a 1/3 to 1/2 cup of dishwashing detergent and also 1/8 of a cup of bleach. I stirred this around a bit, let it soak all afternoon, and then as evening approaches here tonight, I just came in and rubbed and scrubbed all the different pieces to get the dirt out of it. If you realize when you work with your bee equipment that you sweat, especially since today is 85 degrees, it gives remembrance that a lot of times you really foul up your bee suits. And in a certain type of bee suit, when you get stung, you have different pheromones and other chemicals on. So it's important every once in a while to wash your bee suits. Now, I don't know how much it shows up here, but yeah, the water is absolutely brown. That's a good thing in the context of getting the soup clean. And I plan to rinse each of the suits with fresh water and hang them out on the line. Now, obviously, I'm not working bees tomorrow. It's a Tuesday night, and I know that the next time I'll be in my hives is Friday. So I'll give enough time for this to soak overnight, and then I'll rinse it with cold water and hang it out on the line, and it should be good to go for Friday. Now, I had a question as to whether I could wash this, and you could see it sitting here. I chickened out. I think if that gets wet, it would probably ruin the material. I've had them left out in the rain and they get really soft, and then you have to put them over a soccer ball or something so that they come back to shape. So I left it out, and I'm not going to worry actually about washing that. But wash your bee suits. It's an important part of your maintenance program.